Do you want sunshine or shade? A little bit of both.
So pretty. Wherever you want to be.
You're gonna do yoga in the sun though, right?
They're not much.
We're heading to Arenal National Park. There's a big volcano up there.
Vámonos.
And we are stuck in traffic. So, wanted to give you a tour of our luxurious rental. It is
A four-door.
a 4-door economy package. My this whole car could probably fit in my car back home, but it's nice. It's also a manual transmission.
Yes, and learning a lot.
I have not driven a manual transmission in a long time, but like they say, it's like riding a bike. It's easy. Steph needs to learn how to ride a bike, or I mean drive a manual. And I'm going to cut away and show you traffic. That's traffic. We haven't moved for quite a while. That's not true. We moved about 200 meters. And then we came to a complete stop again. At least there's vendors. Our economy car does not have cup holders, which means no coffee. And we're in Costa Rica, where they have Costa Rican coffee. And apparently in Costa Rica, they don't call Costa Rican coffee Costa Rican coffee. They just call it coffee. I gotta shift now. We stopped halfway up to get some lunch. Man, that was delicious. That was really good. A lot of food too. Didn't think I was hungry, but whoo-wee, I killed that plate. Wanted to give you guys a tour of our Suzuki Swift VVT Desire. What it likes in size, it does not make up in power. So we drove a little over 3 hours to the Arenal Volcano. Took us a little over 3 hours because we stopped to get a really good lunch, which I think I showed you already. Anyways, we got a nice room here at a nice hotel. Nothing too fancy, but nothing not fancy. And now I'm going to spin the camera around and show you the volcano. The volcano is currently behind me, but as you can see, it's covered up by a big huge cloud. Hopefully it'll leave sometime today or tomorrow.
Pura vida.
I, like a lot of people, have my OCDs, and Costa Rica has been making my OCDs just go crazy. And I'll tell you why. All the toilet paper is put on backwards. Oh, it makes my head want to explode. We're in Arenal National Forest and we're about to go for a hike. And there, my friends, is a volcano. Might be one of the better views we get today because of the clouds. It's pretty cool though. Lagoon over there. Jungle. Straight up jungle. Great hike. Heading back to the parking lot now. Did about 2 miles. Thick of the rainforest, jungle. Pretty rad. Some steep parts, some wet parts, some muddy parts, some rocky parts, some parts full of wildlife, and by wildlife I mean insects. Yeah, it was freaking rad. So after being in the wet jungle all day, got a pretty good storm. We decided to come to Valdez? It's like a big resort, and it's pretty rad in here. They have indoor pool, swim up bars, dinner. Pretty ridiculous. Slow my ass! So the slow water slide turned out to be really freaking fast, so I hate to see the fast one. What's fun though? That thing was insane. Oh, this is super warm. Spending all day in a hot, muggy rainforest hiking up a volcano, this was an extremely relaxing way to end the day. We're not done yet. We still have dinner and drinks, but we're just relaxing. Pura vida.